Welcome to another Atlantis Rail video. Today we'll be assisting on how to tension a cable that has loosened over time and has run out of thread to continue tensioning. To get started, we'll need the Atlantis Rail 14-inch cable cutter, installation tools set, and the RailEasy spare cone and wedge set. Let's begin with cutting the cable as close to the cone as possible. Extend the body out so you have thread available to tension. Pull the cable tight and mark where the cable seats a little past the base of the cone. Cut the excess cable. Then unscrew the cone to remove the piece of cable and wedge that is inside. The wedge and spacer will be replaced. Put the receiver cone, wedge and spacer onto the cable, and feed cable into the tensioner body and make sure it's fully seated. Hand screw the cone onto the tensioner. Tighten the threaded stud by holding the cone with the 5/16 wrench and using the 3/8 wrench to tighten the stud. And hand tighten the tensioner body. Use 3/8 wrench at the base of the cone and 5/16 wrench on the tensioner body to tension. Hand tighten the lock nut and use a 7/16 wrench on the lock nut to secure and fully tighten. For more information on our cable railing systems, visit our website. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.